And if you are new to my channel, welcome to the nation, cousin. Alright, y'all. Today is Monday. Yes, Monday. December the 26th. Which means what? Yeah, it is the 26th day of Vlogmas. Yes, day 26 of Vlogmas. Y'all, I don't even know how the hell I got this much energy, y'all, because when I tell you my job worked me today, baby, they worked me real good. That's what I get for talking hella shit. But y'all, they worked the hell out of me today, y'all. But guess what? I'm still smiling. I'm still alive. But y'all, on today's episode, we are actually going to be revealing one of the gifts that I received for Christmas, which is this lovely Black & Decker cordless vacuum cleaner that my sister, yes, I know she watching because she my number one supporter, Audrey Rose, actually gifted me this for Christmas. For you guys that don't know, yes, I do have my own cleaning company, and this is actually like one of the items that I've been wanting for the longest. Yes, like a dust buster, quick clean cordless hand vacuum, which I love so much. But before we open this and before we hop into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all smash that post notification bell. Yeah, smash like I be smashing. They got to be doing y'all head. Smash that post notification bell so y'all can be notified each time I, yes, the one and only Bianca Marissa, drop a video. Alright, y'all, look, y'all. This, do y'all not see this? Y'all, this is so beautiful. Like, look at this. Y'all, it is it's professional, advanced clean with a check mark, and quick clean. Like, it says ideal for large plus small debris, tough messes, deep clean, and capture, I guess, allergies. Y'all, look. I am so happy. Like, y'all, this thing, baby, it does the damn thing, y'all. Let's see. My sister, girl, she be paying attention to me because I told her I wanted this maybe like a month ago. Maybe in October. I don't even remember, to be honest. But, girl, I see you really be paying attention when we be talking. Girl, yes. Yes. Boom, boom. Okay. I'm so excited for this, y'all, because, baby, listen. Baby, I got tired. Okay. Oh. Yes, y'all. Okay. I should have said it through my bang. Ooh. Let me stop, y'all, because y'all know this is a clip-on bang. And if my bang come out, baby, I'm trying to tell you, this little thing got some power. Like, look at this. I love this. Girl. What else we got up in here? Of course, it come with the instruction manual, cordless vacuum, all that good stuff, y'all. We don't even know. We don't even need to look at the instructions, y'all. That's it. Oh. Okay, now here go. Oh, okay. Oh, so I guess I can mount the charger on the wall. Okay. Okay, hold up. Do we go like this? Hold up now. Oh, okay. Okay, then you just plug it into a wall. Okay. Oh, I got the screws so that it can get mounted. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, that's it. Girl, I'm reaching in here thinking I got something else up in there. Y'all, look. We can mount this on the wall. We got a little screws right here. We're going to mount. Well, I'm not going to mount it to the wall, but somebody's going to mount it to the wall. And y'all, we also got like a little brush just in case we got to like. Girl, how does it go? Girl. Oh, it go like this. Ugh. Just in case we gotta like, I guess scrub and. Oh, okay, put you down because I don't want to break it. Y'all, look at this. I am forever thankful, Audrey. Y'all, I love this. And then you get the, it's got like a, an empty button. Okay. It got a little filter. Girl, yes. Like, stop playing with me. Okay, did I put you back in right? We finna see right now. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Okay. And then, y'all, I don't know if y'all can see, but when y'all push the, y'all see how that little thing lift up? Thing got a little power. Yeah, I am forever grateful for my cordless vacuum cleaner. Like, I'm forever thankful. So, I just really wanted to come on here and reveal my little gift. Like, my sister pay attention. Ooh, Lord Jesus, boss gonna scratch me in my face now. Okay. My sister, she listens. And I just want to say thank you, girl, from the bottom of my heart. I love you, girl. I guess I got to buy you a Bath and Body Works candle. You know they got the annual sale going on, sis. So, we got to go there Saturday. But, you guys, this is actually it for day 26 of Vlogmas because I gotta go take a shower. I'm tired. I'm gonna go take a shower and I'm gonna look at Family Matters on Hulu. But before I wrap up this video, y'all already know what to do, right? Y'all already know what to do. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. And everybody be asking me why I talk with my hands. Baby, that's just how I talk. That's just how I am. Like, I'm really like this, like, in real life. Like, I ain't just putting on the front. This is how I am. Like, I make anybody laugh. Like, it is what it is. But also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And what do I always say? Like, what do I always say? Tell your who? Tell your mama, your daddy, your sister, your bald-head ass brother, your niece, your nephew, and them badass cousins to subscribe to my channel. Because y'all know what? Bianca love the kids. Bianca love the kids. But y'all, I can't be loving on everybody's kids because my nephew Luke, baby, he gets mad. He already think he my boyfriend or whatever, but baby, Luke gets mad, y'all. But you guys, I love you guys so much. And yes, y'all, we hit 51,000 views. Like 51,000 views. Like 51,000 views. That is a fucking lot. Man, listen. I appreciate each and every last one of y'all. I swear to God, I do. But you guys, I will see you lovely peoples tomorrow. And yeah, we finna go take a shower. We gotta get about these scrubs.